According to the Insurance Information Institute, Superstorm Sandy caused more than $18 billion in insured losses, making it the third costliest hurricane in U.S. insurance history. As predictions for a severe 2013 hurricane season are rolling in, home and business owners should be reminded to heed the lessons learned from that deadly event. And today, Gene Salvatore from the Insurance Information Institute joins us with 4 ways to protect both lives and property before a storm approaches. Gene, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now let's talk.
Well, the first thing is that everybody needs to review their insurance now to understand what you're covered for, what you're not, and basically have enough insurance to rebuild your home and replace all of your personal possessions. Now, you are covered for things like wind damage and hurricane, but the one big disaster that you need to get separate insurance for is flooding. But you can call your agent and get a separate flood insurance policy either from the National Flood Insurance Program or from some private insurance companies.
Now, what are the 4 ways to protect both lives and properties before disaster strikes?
Well, first is reviewing your insurance. The second thing you want to do is to have a home inventory, and that's a simple list of all your personal possessions with their estimated value. The Insurance Information Institute's website, iii.org, has tips on how to do it, as well as a free app. This helps you buy the right amount of insurance, but also makes it easier if you need to file a claim. The third thing that you want to do is to have a disaster plan so that everybody needs to know where they're going to go, what they're going to take, and how they're going to communicate with family and friends if they have to evacuate because of a disaster. And then the last thing is you want to learn about things that you can do to make your home more disaster resistant. Ask your insurance professional. They have a lot of information. You can also go to the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety. The Insurance Information Institute also has apps on disaster planning as well as on insurance coverage.
All right. Well, what is and what is not covered by a homeowner's insurance policy?
Well, the primary things that are covered, you're going to be covered for wind, so that's a hurricane, a tornado, a bad fire, theft. All of that is covered. The 2 big disasters that are not covered, one is flood and the second one is earthquake, and you need to get separate insurance for that. But it's important that people understand their coverage. So you write down your questions. Call your insurance professional. Make sure that they explain to you exactly what is covered, what's not, and that they explain all of your options. You want to have that conversation now and not wait until you have to file a claim.
All right, Gene, thank you so much for joining us. Some great information. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
More after the break, so stay with us.